Hillbilly Nitro, back with another one. Guess what we got in today, guys? Northwoods Fremont Jack, Mammoth. Well, guys, here we are with another one. And there's a bit of a mystery with this one. My buddy done some trading on this knife, to get this knife anyway. And I'm not exactly sure the details of what he traded for it. He may have put some money with it. I don't know. But from what I heard at the beginning, it was some nice knives. And after he made the deal, he got a little cold feet because he'd only seen stock photos and whatnot. So there could be nothing in this box. We don't know. So we're about to find out. And if you've ever had any of those deals, let us know in the comments below if you if you got ripped off or cold feet. Let us know in the comments. Let's hear your story. But I mean, I guess we've all been there once or twice, maybe. And I mean, you never really know when you're trading with somebody on the internet. So we're gonna get into this. He's itching to find out. I mean, I suspect he hasn't been sleeping very well for the past 3 or 4 days. Anyways, here we go. Just thought I'd let you guys know on that, so you can maybe your heart's pumping a little like mine is, because we really don't know what's in this box. And if it's what it's supposed to be, it is a beauty. So I think the Facebook account name kind of really started to weigh on him. Not really sure. So if this is not what it's supposed to be, you'll probably be finding out about that Facebook account, because I'll go in there and grab my tablet and we'll put the word out. Anyways, here we go. I believe we're all good. Let's see what we got going on. I see a Northwoods pocket slip. Good so far. What's it say on that? Yep, Mammoth Ivory, number 76. I'm breathing a little bit better. I mean, I was kind of feeling it for him too. Nothing else in the box. I was feeling it. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. There's a coin. That's a good sign. Hope we don't have some old rusty old timer in this Northwoods pocket slip. Here we go. Wow. Yes. Is that a beauty or what? Man, it's got some weight to it. Oh, that feels good. I've never had any Mammoth Ivory in my hands before, so this is a first for me. Look at that. And the thing is, it feels good. With this knife right here, this makes him having the whole 2018 Northwoods drop. He has the stag, he has the green, the red that you've seen on here, and now he has a Mammoth Ivory. So he has the full collection of the last run of Northwoods knives that Derek Bone took part in. And if you didn't know, just for the folks that may not know what I'm talking about, is Derek passed away. I think it was the 22nd of May. And these knives were in the process of being made. Were just about finished when he passed away. Man, this is a beauty. Feels great on that Open and close. Snap. Little light on there. Probably gonna need some oil, just like the red one was. The red one, it turned out okay after I worked it a little bit. It's snapping there. Yeah, a little bit of oil and it'll be okay. Man, that's nice. Let's get a look at this thing. Transitions feel great. Yeah, it's perfect. You know, these mammoths, they run up there. I think this one was, if I remember correct, it was up 325-ish, I think, maybe, around that area. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I think that's what he told me. Maybe it was 270s, I don't know. If you know, put it in the comments. I never look at these because I can't afford them, so. Check that centering. Perfect. Oh, he's gonna be happy. He is gonna be stoked. Man, that's a beauty. Everything's cool with it. Look at that grain in that ivory. It looks like wood grain. I've seen the photos and this actually looks better than the photos. Wow. I hope that's coming through on my crappy camera. It's got the heat treat. It almost looks like rust, but it's not. It's just the heat treat on there on the rustic blade. Man, that's a beauty. Look at that. This knife is awesome. What I wouldn't give to have one of these. Let's take a look at it again. Man. Perfect. I believe this is probably one of the best Northwoods I've felt in my hand. It's a little light on the closing, but I believe that'll touch up on with some oil, flush that joint out. Yeah, it's tight. Here, we can fix that right now. I got the oil out here. May not fix it 100%, but ballistol on there. This stuff works great with on knives. It's eco-friendly too, so that's why I like it. Let's see if that helped out any. Oh yeah, that helped out. And the more you work it in, the better it'll get. That's the way it was with the red one that I had. Man, that is a beauty. There it is, guys, right there. Look at that. Beautiful knife. Alright guys, well, I guess that's going to wrap this up. This Saturday. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. There she is, guys. Very nice. Give you one more look around her here. Oh, he's a lucky dog. Look at this beautiful knife. Beautiful. How can you not love that? It feels great too. It's just polished perfect. It's slick. Man, that feels good. This looks like some desert ironwood or something. Come on, focus in. Beautiful. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for the Northwoods Fremont Jack 2018 production, Mammoth Ivory. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate you watching. Y'all take it easy. Stay tuned for the next one. Hillbilly is over and out.